A lot of us, when we want to earn money, when we want to expand our careers, our businesses, we always look for what we call strategies. And the thing is, the strategies that you are trying to apply right now and you will apply in the future, malamang sa malamang galing yan sa magaling na negosyante, or magaling na mentor, or influencer, or author. Nabasa mo sa isang libro. Pero nagtataka ka, bakit kahit anong gawin mo doon sa strategy na effective naman sa iba, hindi tumatalab sa'yo? I want you to remember that 99% of the time, the strategies won't work in the beginning. For the strategies to work, you need repetition, because repetition is the mother of skill. It will take a lot of skill for you to apply the strategy. But the problem is, pag gipit na tayo, kailangan natin ng pera, because hear me out, mataas ang chance na gusto nating magbago kapag sobrang hindi na tayo okay, kapag bigat na tayo, kapag dapang-dapa na tayo. Most of the time, we are looking for the strategies because there's an urgency. So it's contradicting. Kasi nga, para malaman mo kung effective talaga yung strategy, you need repetition. Pero nagmamadali kang magkaroon ng resulta. So what will happen is when we apply the strategies, it will not work in the beginning.